Hello and welcome back to Khaos Cleaning Solutions. This is Leanne, your host. This is the before of the refrigerator that I worked on. I actually did this for my sister for Thanksgiving. I had noticed her fridge, microwave, and her washer was dirty, so I took it upon myself to clean those things for her. And then we just pass the after, and then we slide into the microwave. This is the before of the microwave. As you can see, it's like really caked up. She said that she hadn't cleaned her microwave since they moved into that house, which they've lived in for about 2 years, I guess. That is a no-no, you guys. That's very unsanitary, and it could potentially make you guys sick. So just make sure that you're cleaning your microwave at least every 6 months. Preferably as the splatters come, clean them up as you go. That's what a perfect life would look like, but we're not perfect here, are we? I had to repeat the process of putting a cup in the microwave about 4 times because of the exhaust on this microwave was preventing the process that I'd hoped for. So after the 4th time, my boyfriend Richard put a paper towel inside the exhaust and stopped it from doing its job, basically. And it worked a little better, but not anything close to what I hoped for. The end result on this microwave was not at all what I had pictured in my mind. The result I was looking for was putting a coffee cup inside of a microwave, letting it do its thing for 3 minutes, taking the coffee cup out, and being able to wipe all the mess off the microwave very quickly and easily and hassle-free. However, that was not the case in this scenario, but that's okay. So here we are, the finished product. The microwave looks not as good as new, but the next best thing, right guys? Let's be honest. That microwave has seen better days. So here's a few clips of me cleaning the washing machine. I took a toothbrush to it because there were such tiny little parts, but we are nearing the end of the video. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.